tia besisi ane se eho nyina yitum obi ntimi pie bi ntimi nkomba Ruby a general secretary at the Kejetia Traders Association. Ruby bibi abakode. Hello Ruby. Na yazi Kejetia eho nyina new market ne off.
Abakobi da sunu efunka bi ni na dey.
Den.
Ma menche we pie fansa. How say the farmer job come here.
Adey.
Oh, Kejetia.
You have just one.
Okay. Enti Modeka Muntia.
Kejetia ma bi usibika.
What is the current state of Kejetia? What is
the
Wow. Now then I say you 24 so now all this was now Mutia mobile. Okay. This is the current state of Kejetia. Everywhere
a big marketplace like Kejetia.
By JB, let's face the fact.
Kofi, but irrespective of whatever it is.
A bedu, when him say bedu call retirement.
Yes, or call retirement.
On 2 occasions, we be fear be car say, mo check Kejetia. Let no one taking it off. Yeah. 2 occasions, and now bedu. Kejetia, on be kwa kutwem.
Kofi, whose responsibility is that? Your managers of Kejetia. Ankofo ewo mu omotua ka. Managers of Kejetia. Your ankofo omo omotua ka, they've paid money. And now you locating stores at their momo. So who is responsible? Now you locating store their momo.
They are not paying bills.
Records.
Now they have
the records. Yeah, managers of Kejetia. And they are responsible, sir. Who do light bill? And I say the way they are bad. Kofi, a good idea than the massy.
This is you cry there.
No,
ECG.
I am not 40 ECG. The truth is that Omo managing Kejetia, they are not working. Omo Yajuma. They are not working.
I dread the four no SW NPR light bill. ECG. How will you be consuming? Only the light bill over 36 million. Yeah, Ruby.
Coffee.
And Dabe no be try mo light team.
Anra.
Okay. Na say muntua. Is it a light bill no? Is it akwa saying? Is it well over 36 million?
Coffee. No cry wa 7 years nyina say. Say your friend be good faith. Me no to anamon. Na me ya dey na bi na me catch ade we a to me there emboa me. My ehwe ne ensesem. Adu ba bi na me akasa koma ready say me bo amaya sesem. Na wo there, wo ya wa dwen say kakra wo benya die nti. Na wo president so support you. Say 24 do mu hia wo a. Ye be sinie. Bishop Kofi me say way back about a year ago. And 24 years ready. So oman kasabati sika akoto meter any ade bo obi asobo. Satan na exchange rate I saying 5 cedis 50 pesos. But inform my head I say oh there be after 1+ year and then that's for market time. I will meter some okay here. It is a medical static TI. Now say can I have a bano? Your budget here. This is can I ban. A smile to go. Momo be a meter, no be a assume. I do baby me catch I ready say young say your meter nisika. Also there be play. Oko found the abba. Any be a near dream. Sir, I know one was say you do I say he said even the president of the country has supported the airport. The president, His Excellency, also supported the airport.
I don't know who president into this.
Oh, Abakovi, President Jimmy Kejetia for Nim Security or meter issues for over 2 good years. Now you're the funny mayors. It's on your security briefing, yeah. Sir, over 2 years. I just before do baby, I ready say young say you meet and who seek. President, don't you know Hatasway? I'll soon get ya. No, you're 24 on can't say, oh, need issue with that. Or place so dear appointees here or supporting now. I'm not fire Kejetia can't catch Kejetia say. Here there is just a voting machine. A do vote, I'll move per power. no maba, no the and
no, but maybe.
Oh yes,
Ruby,
no.
Ruby.
Over coffee.
How do you just suppose using light for 2 years? I wouldn't
Over coffee.
to boss, mommy. Okay, what you should light? What you should for 1 year, 6 months, how do you expect the management to get money to pay? I mean,
maybe also asking is that what they be saying say. So me will meet and me cut on mechanic. Me use power more than even 50 cities. The woman meet about Kupano. Meet here over 150 Ghana cedi for power every month. How do you just suppose that the main to us and tears are there? Me capital and Siana. Mrs. Amiami meet and for me store. Namiami Kotom. Me spending more than 50 cities on power. Me turning you on, I'm spending over 150 Ghana cedis in excess. Am I not eating into my capital? Obian catches us a idea way. Nya 24 on Buya Pasia. Why not
FM?
Says I'm more yet.
Sir, they say no. President, the board, the appointees actually said they can't show leadership. Someone to show leadership there, they should give way. They employ leadership from Ghana.
Okay. And for now, that is more position, right?
Yes. Because yes, at the end of the day, we cannot yes at the end because the cost of power is less than at the end of the month. So if after 1+ year, me do better confirm meter Bremen. Now you make kukwasa na Nigeria. You don't blame me, sir. But you support me. It is because you have not shown leadership. You have shown the bad faith. You have shown that you are a leader of a country who have appointed appointees who do not want to think outside the box.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You as a president, you've appointed appointees who are not ready to think outside the box and find solutions to problems.
Okay. Ruby. Okay. Mama Ruby I think so. For now, that is the problem. Kejetia situation off and no lights anti mo amutie mo ready for more wa mo kwa kudidwa for now okwa unhu obi anim and that is the situation anopay happy birthday kesenkoma nana ama atha odum tanoso APS na your birthday my wife Mrs. Patience Asanteni say our show birthday nana ama atha odum and na your birthday happy birthday from Mrs. Patience Asante in our show happy birthday.
Should be birthday.
That be what we should birthday to.
Oh, that way, Bema.
No, we the keep that also. Yeah, this year Baba Pons and what we should birthday. No birthday for now. Now you watch him. Now.